Hey guys, this is Wayne with Fueled Up Autos out of Denton, Texas, and this is our first video actually, and I was going to show you what we are working on today. Let me turn this camera around. Let me see. Bear with me here. All right, guys. So here's the 1988 or 89 YJ Jeep that we are working on for a good friend of mine. We went to school together back in the day. So this used to be his mom's Jeep, and of course she passed away quite some time ago, and so it was handed down to him. So he wanted to have this Jeep restored. So it was the original, this is the original color, the Malibu yellow. We just recently had, so we got the Jeep in from Houston. We brought it up here, and we tore the Jeep apart, and we sent the frame and the body off to have it media blasted. So we got those parts back in. We got the Jeep frame painted black, went through the front and rear end. We put a Rough Country 2.5-inch lift on there to give it some style. We had the good friend of mine do the body work and paint the Jeep for us. We also Rhino lined the flooring as well as the undercarriage. Let me get down here and see what so this is they did a great job on it. It'll keep the undercarriage protected very well. We're slowly starting to put the Jeep back together. We got the brake booster and the master cylinder in. Starting to put the pedals in as well. Let me walk around here. So we just got the body sitting on the frame for now. We don't have it bolted down yet. We will be replacing these ugly wheels. In my opinion, we will be going with some updated wheels and tires. Of course, these tires are quite old and worn down, of course. Anyways, the paint body turned out very well. As you can see, there's a reflection on it. It still needs to be buffed. Let me walk around here so you kind of see what we're working with here. Has some shine to it. I was unsure about this color, but this color is actually better looking in person, and of course with a fresh coat of paint on it. But so we'll be working on this project over the next several weeks here. We had to order 2 new fenders for it, front fenders. We got some mounts and brackets and whatnot. Had those painted, the doors painted, the front grille painted, and the window frame painted, of course. We got some new parts in over the weekend, and let me see, I think they are from Extreme Terrain. Ordered them, I think, either Wednesday or Thursday of last week, and they're already here. They're here over the weekend. So fast shipping. Highly recommend those guys. But I am highly impressed with the way the Jeep is coming along together. Let me see. Let's walk over here. We still have to tear the motor and transmission apart. We're going to go through the motor and have CD Motor Supply rebuild it, and guys across the street, they're going to go through the transmission for us and freshen it up. We got to go through the body harness, as well as the engine harness, and clean it up, rewire it, and whatnot. So we got the seats over here. These are the original seats and steering wheel. I'm gonna take it to my upholstery guy and see if he can do anything with them. These Jeeps are the original Jeep seats. You know, they say Jeep on them, so I'm hoping that we can keep them, but probably not. So, but this is the back seat. It looks pretty good here. But anyways, so this is one of our mini projects here at the shop. We got a 54 5-window truck. We'll be making a video on it here in the next week or so. But anyways, please hit the like button. Please follow our page, and if you have any questions, feel free to post below. All right, thanks guys. Later.